is Johnny1, and I'm going to show you all my voice effects. Let me see this. Okay. Here is a deep voice.
Hello. It sounds so weird. Here's a depressed voice. Hello. I'm depressed. Here's a distressed voice.
Hello, I'm distressed.
Here's a ducky.
Talk. I'm excited. I'm excited. Here's a female tree.
Hello. I'm female tree.
There's upsize. This is more than force.
Hi, this is my robot voice. Here's my strange accent number 1.
Hello, this is my strange accent number 1. It sounds strange. Because it's accent number 1, it's strange. Here's strange accent number 2.
Hi, I'm strange accent number 2.
I sound so weird.
This is my strange accent number 3.
Hi, I'm strange accent number 3. Strange accent number 4. Hi, I'm strange accent number 4. Ding, 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 ding. Strange accent number 5. Hi, this is strange accent number 5. So, if you pick your favorite one, your favorite voice, just comment it and do the same for my other effects video. Not like effects, this is voice effects. So if you watch this one first, you know to comment it. Okay, bye.